So, but I have to pump 4.5 liter air inside. This is a quite exhausting process. That's why one of the reasons why I have as well a small sprayer. Yeah. So, and we have to really pump this kind of sprayers always up until the pressure ventile is releasing. Yeah, that's very important, because then we have the 5 bar, the minimum required pressure for good results. Also, if you have to spray something regarding IPM, some plant oil, some puration, neem oil, whatever, 5 bar is the minimum what is required. If you have 10, it works double good. Yeah? 10 bar and a half of the drop size of this, it's 4 times better. Yeah? So you need 4 times less of your product. And you work faster. So that's invest a bit on good devices in spraying, because with spraying also foliar application of foodings, you can do really a lot of good things to your plant. Yeah, it's not so common in the cannabis industry, because there are often very toxic substances are used. But we have to choose what we can spray. I like to spray, yeah, of course, Purolyt, but I spray as well effective microorganisms from the brand Alpha Boost. I like this most. Yeah, and I spray as well cal, mag and little amounts of silicium sometimes. This only thing I spray. These are all products that are full, can absorb by the plant and leaving no traces. No? Of course, some things we have to stop on several points. No? But Purolyt we can really use until the last day, even during the drying. I recommend it. Yeah. So yeah, I show you now. We have prepared a small sprayer. How we apply it on plants. Yeah. From strong light, we have to be away, like with all spraying applications. We just make a slight spray. Yeah. So we have here differences, yeah, between spraying. This is now a fine mist. This is something that it's enough to do in the flowering time. In the vegetative time, or until flowering week number 3, you can make them really wet. I do this like once a month, to wash also dust away, and then Purolyt is inside. Very good. So yeah, this is very important. Don't make them too wet. From flowering week 4 on, just a slight spray over. Yeah? Something like this now. Oh, in flowering week 4, this would be enough, the amount. It's not more needed. We don't need to touch, for the priming effect, all the surface, like we are used this for neem oil or for puration, other products. It's enough when we reach 40–50% of the cells, and then a cascade reaction goes through the full plant. It reaches even the roots. Might even reach the microorganisms, and especially the mushrooms. They're in symbiosis with the roots. If you work with symbiosis, we're not sure, this research is still going on, but we can measure their differences. What these differences exactly doing, it will take years to give their proper conclusion. But until now, we made 2 full organic tests, and it has been very interesting what is happening there. So now, you give me some time to pump this Gloria. I have to stay, it will take a while. Still going. Yeah. Bringing 4.5 liter compressed air takes its time. Yes, I have been smoking, and here the room's opened. Yeah, I just switched here the light off. And now, before I go to my plants, I disinfect myself with the Purolyt, because I have been smoking and the tobacco virus, it's a big difference when you grow without them. Most people never have experienced to grow without this virus, because we transport them all, at least every smoker. Every tobacco plant is infected. I even can inhale Purolyt, use it on the full body, everywhere. So, this is done. This just got darkness in this room. You still need to keep a bit light. I place here just some normal LED lights. My camping headlight is very usable for that. So that's enough. More is not needed. From outside I have a bit light. Yeah, and then it's pumped up and we go there a little bit spraying over. Not like going crazy, tuck, 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 bit. You see, very fast. Don't have to be like crazy wet. Just a bit of priming is just enough. Of course, if you have a contamination and have to fight powdery mildew, then you have to touch everything and you have to work with much higher concentrations. Yeah, but for preventive, is this all enough? Here, we just went to the night. Good night, babies. And here, I let now 10 minutes open, leave these LED lights on, and then I come back and switch the power light on again. So, yeah, these have been the very simple steps for the beginning to work with Purolyt. I keep you guys updated how this growth will continue.